Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Super exciting news. If you don't know already, Autel Robotics are about to launch two new drones, the Autel Evo Lite and the Autel Evo Nano. And even though it's not due for another few hours, I've managed to obtain some absolutely fantastic promotional material regarding these drones. So what I'm going to very quickly do is, it is near enough midnight here in the UK, so yeah, I'm going to show you and have a quick look through some of these specifications with you, and then what I'll do is, once we've got all the information later on in a few hours time, I will possibly pick this up with another video and let's talk about it in more detail. But first of all, let me share these images with you and let's talk about some of the main features. So as you can see, first of all, we have got the 4 advertised colours, which is absolutely incredibly exciting and exactly what we've been expecting. The Evo Nano series, make every moment matter, and as you can see, it is sub 249 grams. Exactly what I was expecting. This one is a really super exciting thing. So not only do we have the image transmission of 6.2 miles, we also have multiple frequencies. So not only do we have 2.4 and 5.8, we've also got 5.2 as well, which quite frankly could help a lot with quite a lot of interference, just giving us that extra transmission frequency and options. This one is super exciting. Not only do we have that massive 6.2 mile range, which is 10 kilometers, they are telling us that using their Autel Skylink technology, we have got a 2.7K 30 frames per second feedback to your mobile device. That is absolutely mind-blowing for this sort of thing, which also slightly worries me at how much this thing might actually cost. By the looks of it, we're going to have two models. We're going to have the Evo Nano and the Evo Nano Plus. The difference for me, by the look of it, is the size of the sensor. Obviously the Nano Plus having the bigger sensor. The Nano Plus looks like it's going to have the 1/1.28 inch CMOS sensor, capable of 50 megapixel photos, which is really exciting. The RYYB color filter, which is on the Huawei phones, again, that's really exciting. I am skipping through this quite quickly. I will do a proper video, but yeah, this is absolutely breaking hot off the press. Cinematic shots with a single click, yeah, similar to DJI's quick shots. It looks like we've got 4 there, some sort of what we would call rocket and droney and circle, and I'm guessing that's some sort of ascending helix or something like that. We have got obstacle avoidance, and what seems to be interesting is it looks like that for front, downward and rear we have got 2 sensors, so that's going to of course increase accuracy, and yeah, I'm really excited for that. And a lot of these features are something you want on the DJI Mini 3. I've obviously already had a quick look through this, and there's one thing that I'm really excited for. Let's see when we get to it. Movie Master, quick and easy movies, easy editing, templates, quick sharing. That's pretty standard. So basically you're going to have some sort of feature built into the app where you can quickly put together, I would imagine, a couple of quick shots and a couple of little edited shots, just to quickly share to social media. That's always nice. This is the one that was worrying me when it said 28 minutes battery life rather than giving the flying time. It looks like it's been completely clarified here. More battery, more time, more creativity. The Evo Nano can fly continuously for 28 minutes. It doesn't actually state whether that's in windless conditions or what wind conditions, but it does state 28 minutes actual flying time. Now that's comparative to what sort of DJI say, with their sort of 30 minutes, 31 minutes flight times on their drones, but realistically we all know that as soon as you've got a bit of wind, you don't realistically get that. So 28 minutes advertised. If we get 22, 23 minutes, I think that'll be more than good enough. This is one thing that seems to be quite exciting, and Dynamic Track 2.1. So recruit your Nano to automatically follow any person, animal or vehicle, so you can focus on your activities while your Nano handles the cinematic side. Yes guys, this is a sub 249 gram drone. It has obstacle avoidance 3-way, and it has active track. How well this actually is going to work, it'll be interesting to see, but I can't wait to get my hands on this drone, and hopefully that will come soon, and I will be testing it out for you guys. It's super exciting. Snap and share in seconds. So this is similar to DJI's quick transfer system. Done shooting, simply place your smartphone close to the Nano to upload photos and videos at a speedy rate of 160 megabits per second using the Autel Sky app. That is incredibly fast, and this next one I'm super excited about. Whilst many of you might have said the controller looks a little bit like a toy, sonar sound. Hear everything. Record voices and ambient sounds on the ground through the remote control's built-in microphone. That's absolutely fantastic. Wow. That I don't know how that works actually. That's going to be really good for content creators. I am assuming that obviously the controller's got a microphone to record your voice, so effectively you should be able to go fly and then narrate your flight all within the app and recorded that on the controller. That's going to save screen recording, that's going to save potential app crashes, lots of strain on your phone. That is super exciting. I'm really impressed and happy with that. That's the standard Evo Nano, and as you can see, it's got that 1/2 inch sensor. So slightly less, still got the 3-axis gimbal, and slightly less on the megapixels as well. I'm not entirely sure what the prices are at the moment, but yeah, I think that's the last of my slides, is it? Yeah, it is. Right, guys, so let me know what you think to all that. That is the break-in specification of the Evo Nano. I'm not entirely sure, again, what frame rates we're going to have. This does say 4K 30 frames per second. It would be nice if it was 60, but do you know what? For another competitor in that sub 249 gram drone market, you know, with 2.7K feedback, with 3-way obstacle avoidance, and with active track and that cool feature, being able to record your voice on the remote control, and 50 megapixels, and depending on which model you buy, 48 or 50, I think that's a really decent offering. We need to see and wait to see what packages it's available in, when it's actually going to be released, and what options it's going to have in terms of any additional battery packages or anything like that. Does it come with a case? We don't know yet. Excited to find out, but please let me know in the comment section below what you think to that, and hopefully this is the first video on this. Like I said, I obtained this material. I'm sure there will be a little bit more coming out once the actual launch is done, but I was super excited. I wanted to bring you this. So thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.